There you have Jos Buttler on your screen right now, practicing. This is going to be his last outing as the captain of the white ball team for England. A heavy decision, and with that announcement coming into captain in another game with the ICC Champions Trophy, of course, they want to leave this tournament with a victory under their belt. But we can only wait and see how this happens. But Wasim, what mind frame would he be in right now? I mean,
England team, obviously, you want to go. When we talk about कि pride के लिए खेलेंगे, जब tournament में qualify नहीं करें, there is no pride, but winning obviously matters.
Yeah.
कोशिश करेंगे मैच जीते. ये तो नहीं 14 ओवरों में तो नहीं चेस कर सकते, but anything can happen in cricket. But obviously किसी भी टीम की होती है कि चलो जाते जाते मैच जीत जाए और दूसरे की पार्टी को खराब कर जाए. So that should be the attitude, and that I think will be the attitude.
Yeah, and for
tough decision that he's taken a call, that he's taken it on himself कि England qualify नहीं की, 6 matches हार के आ रहे हैं. As a captain, with the kind of numbers, जितने matches इन्होंने जिताए, जिस number पे batting करते हैं, to be honest, I must be feeling really bad, but it's happened a couple of days ago. Maybe he's in the best frame of his mind and goes out with a bang, saying, "Yaar, this is the last game that I'm going to be captaining for England." Probably see the best of him.
Yeah.
Vintage Butler.
Yeah.
अगर कंट्रास्ट देखा जाए ना ओवरटन का इंटरव्यू और जिस तरीके की बॉडी लैंग्वेज बटलर की दिख रही थी तो टोटली ऑपोजिट दिखी मुझे क्योंकि ओवरटन ऐसे थोड़े से अवजार लग रहे थे मुझे कि जस्ट गेट ओवर एंड गेट होम गो लेट्स गो होम ऐसी फीलिंग मुझे आई है आई मीन माई बी रॉन्ग बट ही वुड लाइक कि जी अच्छे नोट पे ख़त्म किया जाए एंड आई होप कि इनकी टीम और मैनेजमेंट भी ये सोच रही हो क्योंकि the guy has served the country in white ball cricket for a period, So I think for his sake, आप tournament छोड़ दीजिए. For his sake, what he has achieved, what he has done, I think the team's got to really lift themselves and back him to win this game. This game is important for him, I guess. Going out of white ball cricket, he would like not going out, but as a captain, he's going out. So he would like a match जीता जाए. And I hope the team really support him, work with him, and the staff also, move with him.
Who do you think is most likely to replace him? Who is the most favorite candidate right now, or who would be the ideal candidate to be?
हमारे पास और प्रॉब्लम इधर कम है जो ये मेरा मतलब भी हम ये सोचने पड़ जाए कि कौन करेगा क्योंकि it's a very difficult one.
You are the experts. I have to ask.
It's a tough one. I mean, how do you pick that? And especially with we heard that interview from Overton, and I liked what he said. They said, "Oh, what do you think of this?" He said, "I haven't looked at the wicket," and I presume that this interview happened this morning.
Yeah, of course.
And we keep hearing that cricket teams these days have data. They talk about the game. Meetings are done. What contribution do you have in that meeting that you don't know what surface you're going to play on? So, and now you want to answer who's going to be the next England captain. It's very similar to that. I mean, I can give you a name. I think Charles III might be a good option. Or who am I thinking?
George VIII.
George VIII.
अच्छा अजय
but honestly,
गलती होगी मैंने पूछ लिया यार आप लोगों से
सपोर्ट मिल गया.
निकल ऐसा
अजय भैया की थिंकिंग में देखो ना वो बिल्कुल राजा महाराजों की चार्ल्स द थर्ड कप्तानी करेंगे तो वो वहीं से आ रही है.
अपने स्टैंडर्ड से सोचे
वैसे आपने क्वेश्चन रैंडम पूछा.
नहीं रेलेवेंट है. इंडिया पाकिस्तान का पूछे.
उन्होंने पिच नहीं देखी थी साढ़े को तू कप्तान.
रेलेवेंट सवाल रेलेवेंट है बट बहुत ही इररेलेवेंट है.
नहीं बड़ा
मगर बहुत ही irrelevant.
और हमें वहाँ का सिस्टम ऑनेस्टली कहाँ से पता है. आप इंडिया का पूछे पाकिस्तान का पूछे तो क्या होता है कि कहीं ना कहीं आपने देखा है कैसे चीजें चलती रही हैं, इन्वॉल्व रहे हैं. प्लस यू अंडरस्टैंड द डायनामिक्स अ लिटिल. आई थिंक द इंग्लिश डायनामिक्स आर प्रीटी मच different. One good thing about them, because there is something we can always learn from everyone, is that when they go to someone, then they go wholeheartedly, and then they give responsibility, and then they leave it to that person.
Yeah.
So one thing for sure with England
They
is
give a fair chance.
no, of course. I mean, and I think more than the player and the captain who gets sacked, I think the people who hire them or appoint them should feel bad at least in our country we are okay now. I'm saying, I mean, not trying to say
neighbors, you mean?
But honestly, if I appoint you as captain before a tournament, right, and at the end of the tournament I sack you, who's an idiot? Not you, me, because what have I done? I'm making doubts on my own decision.
Yeah.
Because if you appoint someone, that is when you got to have a talk about it, or you discuss, or you have disagreement, and then you pick someone depending on what quality that you looked at, and that quality cannot change in a
Yes.
tournament.
Yes.
Otherwise, you're just going by result. The best thing then to pick a captain whenever there is a doubt.
Yeah.
Vicky, next time,
Yeah.
flip a coin. Heads आया तो निखिल कैप्टन, tails आया तो वकार कैप्टन. That's the chance that you're taking.
No,
बहुत मुझसे मैं आप सबसे माजरत चाहता हूँ मैंने ये सवाल पूछ लिया big mistake to ask this question on the DP
माफी.
World dressing room.
I am so glad that you admit it.
I admit it. Big mistake to ask a question.
नहीं,
with,
नहीं,
with
माफी,
the
माफी,
expert.
माफी.
बड़े लोग admit
आलिजा
कर लेते हैं।
माजरत
देख,
है।
हम वेल प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं है इसमें. हमने अपने आप को ना वो ना पर्दा लगा के ना बचा
भाई,
लिया.
मैंने सुने-
हमारा काम है ये सब तैयारी करके
सर,
आना
मुझे-
कि इंग्लैंड का कौन बनेगा, बट हमने नहीं
मुझे-
करी थी, तो हमने बात को ना टालने की
मेरा
कोशिश.
काम था
तो मैं
ब्रेक
माफी
तक
चाहता हूं.
पहुंचाना कि 3 मिनट
बड़े-
किल करने हैं ब्रेक तक के
वो
लिए
बड़े-
वो आप लोगों ने मेरा काम कर दिया.
नहीं, वो तो आप रैप करते
now
हो.
we can take a
वो
break.
बड़े इंसान होते हैं जो अपनी गलती मान लेते हैं और उसको सुधारने की कोशिश करते हैं.
आप कब मानेंगे?
वेल डन.
नहीं, मैंने मान ली है कि मुझे इसका इल्म नहीं था.
वैसे that was a good comeback. ये तुसी कदम
क्या
बताओगे?
बात है, आप कब मानेंगे?
शाम तक लो. शामी.
चलो मैं आपको नाम दे देता हूँ. You might feel Harry Brooks will be the next.
I appreciate
He's
that.
one of the candidates, absolutely.
He will be if you ask me.
Ajay Paji, thank
Because
you
the question was to me, I wasn't prepared. So
हम
मैंने
तो ऐसे ही
घुमाया.
कूदे थे बीच में.
By the way, I
And
love the
I-
fact that you went all around that journey to give me a name in the end.
I
appreciate
needed
it.
time.
Well played, actually, sir.
Thank
That's
you.
very well played. You
Thank you.
negotiated that very, very well.
Yeah.